Hi, welcome to Your Mentor YouTube channel. To get the government job, PhD admissions, work from home job, PGT, TGT and assistant professor job notifications, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Share, like and comment my videos. Before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, the educator of electronic science and the general paper 1. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next cycle, here the new batch course is going to start from October 27th onwards. So it is a paper 1 and electronic science course guys. The interested candidates may take the subscription plan. So here you may check down. So whatever the subscription plan you want to take, you may use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, to get 10% discount. Coming to the present content of the video, so it is University Grants Commission's official public notice which is released on 23rd December 2021. So this notice will be very much helpful to the candidates who are working as a faculty members in the higher education institutions. Okay, so please listen very carefully guys. Okay, those who are working as a faculty members in the higher education institutions all over the India. Okay, so here coming to the body of this letter. As you may be aware, the National Education Policy 2020 lays a great emphasis on the community engagement as a part of the regular learning, and the quality mandate initiative of the UGC, okay, which was launched in the 2018, has an important vertical on improving the societal languages of the higher education institutions and enabling the students to become the socially productive among other things. So UGC came out with the National Curricular Framework and Guidelines for the fostering the social responsibility and the community engagement of higher education institutions in 2020, which has a recommended teaching of a two credit course in the community engagement in all the higher education institutions. So regarding this 2 credit course or else this notice, you may check down in this one guys. Okay, if you click on that one and then you will be directed to that 2 credit course notice in all the higher education institutions. So regarding this one, in order to launch the 2 credit course with quality assured system of teaching, UGC has identified the 7 universities covering the different states and union territories as a regional centers for the capacity building of faculty as a master trainers for community based participatory research under the Unnat Bharat Abhiyan. A list of coordinators nominated by the respective universities for the regional centers is also attached in the Annexure 1. And these centers will train the faculty members. Okay, so these centers would host annually at least 2 batches of training, 30 to 40 master trainers, so identified from the colleges and the universities of that region. Okay, and each batch of the master trainers would undergo a combination of virtual and the physical means face-to-face residential training for a week's duration at the regional centers. Okay, whatever the list of the regional centers I will show you right now. And the first batch of master training program is proposed to begin in the month of Jan 2022. Okay, so for this one, the UGC is requesting the vice chancellors of the universities and the principals of the colleges to nominate 2 regular faculty members from their institution, taking into account diversity of discipline and gender mix, to attend the master trainers training program. So from this video, what I want to tell you is that if you are working as a faculty member, regular faculty members in your institution, then please approach your principal and tell them that University Grants Commission is conducting the master trainers program. Okay, so please mention your name to nominate to this program to the University Grants Commission. Okay, and the details of the nominated faculty members along with the short 300 to 500 words write-up about their experience and interest in community engagement in the region in the prescribed format in the Annexure 2 may be shared with the respective regional center coordinates with a copy to diksha.ugc@nic.in and hitesh.ugc@nic.in latest by 31st December 2021. So all the faculty members, please take this one as a very good initiative and you will be get trained in the particular regional centers. Okay, and so if from each and every higher education institutions, only 2 faculty members has to be nominated by that by your college. Okay, so please hurry up guys. And the list of the coordinators and the regional centers and the states or the union territories for conducting this master trainers training program is given here. So one is the Dayal Education Institution from Agra. It is the northern region. It covers the Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Ladakh and Uttarakhand. And Kurukshetra University, here the mail IDs are also provided, you may check down. If you are having any queries regarding this one, then here the contact of the mail ID. It is a northern region of Punjab, Chandigarh, Delhi and Haryana. National Law University Bhopal, so Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh and the Rajasthan central region. And Gandhigram Rural Institute, Dindigul. So the southern region will be covered here, that is Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Puducherry, Andaman and Nicobar, Tamil Nadu, Telangana and the Lakshadweep. And Central University of Odisha, Koraput, so the eastern regions will be covered, West Bengal, Bihar, Jharkhand, Orissa and the Sikkim. Tejpur University, northeastern regions, Assam, Mizoram, Tripura and Meghalaya, Manipur, Arunachal Pradesh and Nagaland. And the Rashtrasant College, so this one Nagpur. Western regions like Maharashtra, Gujarat, Goa, Dadar and Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu. Fine. So these are all things, guys. And here the Annex 02, the format is also given here. So in this format, the college has to nominate your name. Okay. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are working in the colleges and let them participate in this program. Okay. If your college principals or the vice chancellors are not aware about this program, then please let them know and participate yourself, okay, and make your name as a nomination for this program and utilize this opportunity. Okay, so all the best to all of you. Thank you very much for watching my video. So to get the more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. All the best. Jai Hind. Yeah, hi guys, welcome to my channel. So myself, I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy Educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1, that is Teaching and Research Aptitude. So myself, I cleared the UGC NET as well as the GATE for the 2 times in Electronics and Communication subject. And in this video, I want to bring you one new batch course for the candidates who are preparing for the next NTA UGC NET exam cycle. So next cycle means as if right now in the month of November and December, NTA UGC NET is conducting the exam for the December 2020 as well as the June 2021 med cycle. Fine. And the next cycle is the December 2021. So Unacademy started the new batch course, guys, for the paper 1 as well as the paper 2. And the highlights of this course are online live classes you will get. And even though if you miss the live class due to your busy schedule, you can watch the recorded videos also. And you can download the class PDFs also, which will be very much helpful for your preparation purpose, or else to write the short notes purpose, or else the revision purpose. And the test series are also you can avail from this new batch course. And while coming to the official website of the Unacademy, so all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. So it is not only providing the paid courses, guys, it is providing the free online classes also. And you will get the free online classes on the 2 platforms. One is on Unacademy YouTube channel and one is on Unacademy app itself in the name of special classes. So here, what I mean, NTA is conducting the UGC NET examination for a total 81 subjects, right? So out of the 81 subjects, Unacademy is providing the online courses, or else what you call paid courses. Okay, that is nothing but complete coaching for the subjects, okay, that you may explore what are the different subjects Unacademy is providing this UGC NET examination purpose. And coming to the list of the subjects, so general paper 1 teaching is common, that means teaching aptitude, that is paper 1 is common, that you will get in English language as well as the Hindi language. And coming to the remaining paper 2 subjects are commerce, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, sociology, labor welfare and English and education and geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, home science, environmental sciences, philosophy, mass communication and journalism, tourism, administration, management, Sanskrit, Punjabi, okay, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects that Unacademy is providing, guys. And while coming to the myself, as I told that I'm providing the subject that is electronic science. So it is my profile. So for both paper 1 as well as the electronic science, I'm the Unacademy educator. So the information to the electronic science candidates, I mean, not only to the electronic science candidates, so whatever the subject I shown you right now. So if you want to take the subscription plan where the new batch courses are going to start, guys, okay, if you want to take the subscription plan for all this one, then you may click on this get subscription. As I told in the starting itself that you will get the free online class as well as the paid courses also. But under the subscription, you will get the complete in detailed syllabus as per the UGC syllabus, guys. And you may take the plus or the iconic subscription. So if you click on the plus, okay, these are the different subscription plans are there. So you may take 1 month or 3 months or 6 months or 12 or 24 months. Okay. And here the price are also mentioned. So for 1 month 3,190 and 3 months 6,875 like this. And whatever the current courses are running, they are maximum up to the 3 months, okay, or else beyond the 3 months. So the suggestible one is the 3 months or the 6 months of subscription plan, or else if you are preparing for the next other cycles, you may take more than 6 months also. And if you go to this one here, it mentions that have a referral code here. So here I am providing one referral code, guys, ASWINIK. Okay. So if you click on this referral code and apply, so whatever the plan you are going to take here, for example, if you want to take the 6 months of subscription plan, okay, and if you use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, then you will get the 10% discount. Okay, 10% off you will get on any one of the subscription plan. So previously I shown you whatever the subjects that is providing for the, providing by the Unacademy. So for any subjects you will get the 10% discount for the referral code, that is ASWINIK, and then click on the proceed to pay. Okay. And while coming to the electronic science and the paper one, okay, so the new batch course is going to start from November 3rd onwards. Okay, that means the day of yesterday, November 3rd onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys, can utilize the opportunity. So already the course schedule, everything is launched here. Fine. So you may check down in my profile link also. And after downloading the Unacademy app, you may click on, you may search by this name, okay, Ashwini Kumar Gadige. Then you will be directed to my profile link and you may check down, okay, the schedule of this upcoming batch course. Fine. And here the lot of previously the course taken students, the lot of the students are highly satisfied, guys. So you may check down the dedications also from the previous batch students, right? So, and you can also come on the free online classes also, that as I told that you will get on the Unacademy YouTube channel as well as on the special classes. So for example, before taking the subscription plan, if you want